We're at Wells and Cal's just ordered the sandwiches.
I keep forgetting this.
And we're now just going to walk down to the front and then we're going to go back to the car and drive to the beach and hopefully get a swim, although it does look like the tide is really fucking far out. We have our sandwiches. We're now at the car park. I thought we were going over, there's like a lifeboat station over there. That's the only place I've been when I've been to Wells before, but Kat says we're going over there, so I'm intrigued. She's now somewhere over there paying for the car park. But yeah, we'll talk to you when we get to the beach. It's really pretty,
Isn't it?
I've never been to this bit.
Wait till you get over the breath.
Massive hill. Oh, the tide's in a little bit.
Oh yeah, we've done that.
Yeah. So pretty. Me too. Quite a spot. I don't even know if you can hear this because it's windy as shit.
I've got cake.
We've got cakes. Where did we get them from? What was it called?
Cafe.
A cafe in Wells. And we're going to go in the sea in a bit. We're going to be brave. No one else is swimming. Literally no one. This isn't even the sea. The sea's like all the way over there. And this is like a little estuary, is it?
Yep.
I know things. Commence check. How bad is it?
It's rocky.
It's rocky. We have to wear our shoes. Is it cold?
Very.
We need a wee, and there is nowhere to wee. So we're just going to have to do a sea wee. You got a sea wee? Kat says it's really cold. I'm trying to even up my suntan. I want to see how cold it is. I'm scared. Oh, it is rocky as fuck. Oh, it's not that bad for fuck's sake. It's not that bad at all. Literally not bad. She's just being a pussy. Are we going in?
Yeah.
Just as the wind's picked up. Are we going to do it? Let's see if we're brave enough. We're in our cozies. I'm not in a cozy, I'm just in my pants to be fair. This is where I'll fucking drop the phone. It's not even that cold. I'm just a little bit nervous as to how fucking deep it's gonna get very steeply. Oh, it's not even that fucking, she is being such a pansy.
Oh my god, it's so cold!
It's not.
Help me!
It's not. It's not cold. Oh, and it's not rocky anymore. You enjoying yourself? It's not bad at all. Look, I'm more in than you because I'm shorter. She's literally not even got her ass in yet. You've not even got your ass in yet, and I'm like belly in. It's not bad. She's just being a pansy. You gonna dunk?
No, not yet.
When you're ready to dunk, just say.
I'm never going to be ready. Okay, maybe now.
It's not bad. For fuck's sake. Cat's being a bitch. But it's nice. I've been in the sea again. And it wasn't this bad, was it? It wasn't that bad this time, was it?
Nope.
She was fine, but it's so fucking strong now. Like, we had to move the towel up because the bit where we were laying is completely gone now, and the current is ridiculous. Like, you couldn't even sit down without it taking you away. I went up to my boobs and nearly got lost at sea, so I'm not lost at sea, I'd have been lost over there somewhere in the estuary.
You'd have been hoiked in by a fisherman.
Oh, I'm down for that.